What's going on, guys? Sergio here, and welcome back to episode 7 of our survival series. Today we're back here on ManaCube. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make yourself one of these cactus farms that are over here. Hopefully the tutorial helps out. I probably haven't been posting lately just because I've been doing some other stuff that's outside of Minecraft. But if we do a quick island update, I've actually now made this little bank area. So when you do /p home in my party, you're gonna end up right here. And then you can just walk out and go into the land. We're probably going to set up a P-warp soon. Or not a P-warp, like a public warp, so anyone can come and visit. But that may be coming in the future, because we got to put some security first before we start letting people come here. Otherwise they're going to start AFKing on our farms. But I hope you guys all enjoy this short video, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace out. Alright guys, so I'm back here now at one of our small cactus farms, and I'm about to show you guys a tutorial on how to make yourself one. So if we start all the way down here, I can show you guys what the water looks like. So basically all you want to do is just build like a little kind of a staircase. So this can actually be, I think, 8 long, and the water will still flow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I think it's 8 long, but I guess if you want to be safe, just do it 7 long. So you can just do like a different layer of these and then make sure they go down 1 block after each 7. It's like, as you can see here, 7 blocks, and then boom, it's a drop, and then 7 again, and then go down 1 block and 7 again. So this way, when you put the water down, it'll flow, slanted. And then all you have to do is just put your hoppers. You can just put them all along here if you want, and then you just put the chest right underneath. So that's the bottom part. It's really easy to do. Now for these cactus parts, I'll show you guys how to do it. So basically, all you want to do is hold on. Let's just do. How long does this take? Please. All right. So all you want to do is from the floor, you can just raise up by, like, I don't know, I guess like maybe 4 blocks high. It doesn't really matter how high you go off from the floor, but I'm not gonna go 4 blocks since we're building it off of another layer. But you guys can choose how you want to build off of. And then once you hit that height, so let's just say we're gonna do it like this. We're gonna do 2 blocks, and then we're gonna put our slab right there. So if you didn't see what I did right there, all I did is I just put 1 block, and then I put 2 slabs, and then you put the slab on this side, so when you break it, that 1 slab is still there. So that's kind of how high you want to space out your cactuses when you start making more layers. And then now all we have to do is just build straight across. So actually, I don't even know if this is like the most efficient way to do it, but this is how I've been making my farms. So once we do that layer, we can do this, and then we just make another line of slabs. Boom. Hold on, let's see if we can do this a little bit faster. I'll just do like three lines for now, and oh my god, dude. All right, there we go. So there's 3 lines, and then after that, all we have to do now is just line each of them out so there's 1 space in between. So if we can do something like this. Oh shoot. All right, there we go. We do something like this. Okay. Well, it kind of takes some practice if you want to go really fast. So I'm kind of bad at it, but something like that, where there's just 1 spacing in between all of the slabs. Do it for these 2. This is actually a lot better if you just crouch and do it, if you're just starting to do this. So you can do this, and there we go. And then after we get all the slabs with like a 1 block in between each of them, now all we have to do is just put some sand on top of every slab. Okay, I gotta try not to miss, otherwise it's gonna fall all the way freaking down, and that's gonna be really bad. So let's just do this really quick. Boom, boom, boom. And then finally, or not finally, actually, there's still 2 more steps. So the next step is we gotta go brew ourselves some fences. Now if we just get a couple of sticks, I'm not gonna do it all the way. This is gonna take a long time if I did it all the way, but we're gonna get some fences. Like, oh my god, that is a fence gate. Come on, dude. How do I not know how to craft fences? All right. So I think it's like this. Better be like this. There we go. So we got 9 fences. Okay, that's not really enough, but who cares? So let's just go over here, and then now we're gonna place 1 fence, place another one, place another one. So it's like 3 fences from this little in-between area. And then we can break those 2. There we go. That's our 1 fence right there, and then we just go all the way across. And you basically just go all the way down with your fences, and then you can skip this line right here because you don't need another fence right here, since this fence right here and this fence that will be right here is going to take care of these 2 cactuses already. So you can skip a line and save yourself some fences. So all you have to do is just put a line of fences on every other row. So I wouldn't put one here, I'd put one here, then no fence, fence, no fence, and fence. Alright, so once you have all your fences laid all the way straight down, you come to this little area, and then you can just chop down every other fence. So you can just go like that, and then all your fences should line up. Like as you can see, mine are lining straight. But that's basically all you have to do. And then finally, you just place the cactus. If I stop falling, then we just gotta go and just place cactuses all along here. And that's basically it. That's just how you make a layer of cactus. It's actually really easy. There's not much to it. You just gotta make sure you do all your spacing right, because if you do one of the spacings wrong, then like once you start making layers on top of that one, it's gonna start getting really bad, because you're gonna have to take all the layers down if you notice that you did something wrong. So make sure you do the first layer right, and once you do the first layer right, all you have to do is just keep copying it and going straight up. And then if I wanted to do another layer, put one block, 2 slabs, and then put a slab like that, and then we can just break this sand, and then boom, we start going straight down again with our slabs. And then mine the ones that or mine every other slab. So we can just do that, that, and that, and then you just keep going and try to make your farm as big as possible. So we've been doing that for a lot of our farms lately. We have a bunch of them, as you can see. Like, look how many farms we got, guys. We got these smaller ones, some ones over here, and we got one that's being made right now in the back. Is this one even done? Okay, this one's kind of almost done, but yeah, we're still making that one, and then that's our huge one. I hope the tutorial made some sense. If it didn't, just comment down below what question you guys have, or message me in game and I'll come look at your farm if you want. But that's basically it. Comment down below what you guys want to see me do next, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye bye.